Ladies and gents, we are now in Spearfish Canyon, hiking to Spearfish Falls. We have a nice observation point up by the parking lot, but we are taking the 1.5 mile hike down to the base. How ginormous this place is. Ooh. We are nearing the falls. Beautiful, beautiful hike. Easy. There's a little bit of a downhill at the start, so that means uphill coming back. But they seem pretty short so far. We have the whole place to ourselves here at Spearfish Falls. We're all have our cameras out doing some time-lapse photography. Well, I am. Jane's doing regular photography, I think. And I'm trying out my new little flexi arm tripod there. Just wrap it around and get some foreground of that tree. And then have the waterfall in the background. And I think I'm exposed dark enough so I can get a little bit of cloud movement up there. What I'm hoping for. Doing 3-second intervals so we don't have to be here all day. 100 ISO, 200 shutter speed, and an aperture of 8. Well, there you have it, folks. That was Spearfish Falls. If you like these types of videos, be sure to like and leave a comment down in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be more content like this. Catch you next time. Stay fun.